Alright everyone, today we want to show you a very delicious Chinese recipe, the Chongqing Crispy Chicken. And we want to say thank you to our Chinese friends which shown us this delicious recipe. We begin with 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. We cut both into very fine pieces. You can mix both together while cutting it. Then we give the mixture into 2 different bowls. Then we go on with our chicken. For this recipe you can use any chicken meat, no matter if it comes from the fillet or comes from the leg, for example. But cut it into small pieces and be careful. If you cut the meat too small, it will become too dry. If you cut it too large, it will not become crispy. The pieces should have the size of one of your fingernails. After this step, put the chicken pieces to 1/2 of your ginger and garlic mixture. Now we need 1 tablespoon of the famous 13 spices powder. You will find it in your local Asia shop. Add it to your chicken pieces and also give a pinch of salt to it. We also give 2 to 3 tablespoons of ricewine to it. Mix everything well and place it at least 1 hour covered in the fridge. For the next step we need some scallions. We only use the white parts and cut them into fine pieces. After that we take some chilies and remove the seeds from them. The chili that we use are not that spicy, so you should certainly use less than we did if your chilies are a very spicy type. Then we need a handful of peanuts. Break the shells open and give the nuts to your other ingredients and keep them for later. Now we cook our rice. We use 1 cup of jasmine rice and add 1½ cups of water to it. How much water you should add to the rice depends on the type of rice you use. We cook our rice for 10 minutes at low heat and then let it stand open for another 10 minutes. After our rice is finished, the magic can happen. We use a big pot and add 1 liter of oil to it. When the oil is hot, you throw your marinated chicken into it. Fry everything for at least 2 to 3 minutes until your chicken looks crispy. Don't fry it too long, or otherwise your chicken will become dry. When your chicken looks good, remove it from the oil and give it to a pan. When the pan is hot and the chicken starts frying again, you add all the other prepared ingredients to it. We also spice it with 1/2 tablespoon of szechuan pepper. Then we finished our dish with a pinch of sugar and 1 tablespoon of sesame. After frying everything for another minute, you can serve this dish with your prepared rice. We hope you like this recipe and have fun to reproducing it by yourself. If you want to support what we do, please like and comment our videos and share them with your friends on Facebook or other social media. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out.